Ada Abirta kelang rapet doran rapenspi a prangsinil hinpen cardon pejriglo cardom non birta thibi lang ponisina Bogojan along NS39 tower along Khari motor kevek alama puthak pen Karbi Long SP pen Frankia Mai Kangni Ser long chor ing ti arong lapen ki tok bi arong rong ni rong chilang pet pen si rek rong ker krakti mesen pen pachun pon Ahin patora rong rathur pak pen mithanga rong tobar kat sama sai kedeng pon Dong mukak phong birik moiram rong pia rong pirdasi rong ker rong oprati mesen pen pachun pon non birtang ton pen lang panisnang subdivisions angkang National Highway 39 tower pi la horizon pen silunizan garam pani and motor kevek atum phan isi ka cherok tok lapen kachuri pen Khari motor kevek ponji aputhak isi RD do jot pen pharakia mai kang ni pon kedam tangar koi ni phai phor ni ani kang sampor phai hinira minute songke ba por malom hanjan langso tower ka chitok along Karbi Long SP Sanjeev Kurmai Soikia IPS pen ka chephem pu pon pharakia mai long DTO Bikram Atitia Gogoi Bogojan ADS Deba Huti Bora ACS Bogojan SDPU Rustam Raj Brahma Lapenki Barim Ian Jivan Chandra Pathak Atumta Chitok Bangsu Pherankia Mailong Karbi Long SP Sanjeev Kumar Soikia pen ke than panatenki kedam tanganing kan huta Police Lapen Transport Department atum chalangsi to waralong along ke ton asiding ponsi Khari motor ke vek atum pan choklim alo ave atum an phanke penalty mare fine semi and pondo bon semi bang thongke bra ke thoma bang pu bang phi atum ke Khari motor ke vek aching koi pen semi aprandam nanglo Labangsu accident jasemer Patrick NS39 tower Bogojan pen borbothar malom porphai phora porphai troxia por malom laben anikang sam porphai ke thomra aju porphai sirke ba por malom pensi bangsu accident ke dokok ke labangki Khari motor ke vek bacha thektia jok pasi lakhapon lo Lasinon puto chingbai ponsi District Road Safety Committee DRS sengponlo Lasinon pen ki speed limit kar hanjang langso pen pajir pon thusi borbathar along tekang tunang pu pusi Karbi Long SP pen pachini pon lasila soron ka dukawe rat tu ansme ki kroi edge phansbe Karbi Long SP pen chuniri pon thu
As of now we will be trying to prevent accidents because we have observed that during this peak time only accidents took place. But that limit will definitely always be there. But the enforcement party will be here and physically present during the peak time.
Okay. So how many accidents have involved vehicles from Nagaland in 2020?
That data I'll not be able to give right now. But recently only we have observed that 4 or 5 vehicles were involved in fatal accident. In one gypsy, all 4 of them died. And one motorcycle accident, 3 persons died. So there are lots of accidents taking place, vehicles coming down from Nagaland.
So can we assume that most of the accidents have involved vehicles from Nagaland? Not.
Of course, yes.
So how?
So we will issue some time card. Suppose you have entered this point but right now it is around 3 o'clock in the evening, and we will issue a card, and you are supposed to cross this road span within 34 minutes. If you cross within 25 minutes, that means you have exceeded your limit.
So that means we should not what was before.
As it is done in the Kaziranga, you might be aware about the periphery of the national park. The same time card is issued during the peak time.
So how do we check if people stop midway?
That we will have to cross. That we are concerned about all your points. That we will check in between. We will have some mobile parties in between to cross check these points.
So has there
communicating any official communications to Nagaland, but since we are doing it well within the state of Assam, that is why we have not considered it necessary to inform Nagaland. Why we have involved Nagaland media is that since Nagaland media will be circulating and airing the news, so if it is aired in the Nagaland, then people will be aware of, and then they will not hesitate to cooperate.
So how would you prosecute people who
as per MB Act? that district commissioner has also issued a prohibitory order under section 144 of the CRPC for implementation of this scheme.
So do you have any specific message for the people from Nagaland who come here? If you want to, since we are from Nagaland, so you want to tell the people of Nagaland?
See, it's not only, this message is not only for the Nagaland, it is for all the citizens of the country to cooperate with what we are trying to do for safeguard the safety of the passengers, onlookers and the pedestrians, and to cooperate with the scheme that we are going to implement. That's all.
Tangar koi ni pai phoni bangki Karbi Long kang pilong smi rong ter chakti dun rentilu lapuson tak tak si nizang Karbi along jengkha ser long jor ingti lapen ki tok bi arong chelangsi rek rong kiras tami arthi ponlu rengke thingno peneng thandu na teng longte vumut vokan sami sen lapen kalang litum rong kira rapel la mangki peneng pen ningkan chokan do tanglu peneng aningkan stami ningka rong ka chipi ponsi thek pon longlu son thak thak si hem tap hem thengsong lam ki donri ka semar sami thek pon longlu alangli atum ahin pen sami joy ki pen ki juna lang kelong je phan sami Karbi Long Tamas council ang du ki thi ding tum sami chuni ni pon thu
tase pini hat ningkan suri hini ra ningkan krenar cap pen itum sar bahani chingwai chingsai pen si itum pita pirchung bilo la pen pini non pining an ningkan suri ni ra ningkan korapli anta itum song bawa dat ni pin si klem wailo pen pini ningkan suri ni ra ningkan korapli pini tarik pho rongker pini arkoi tarik pho ke klemanta netum longri selong chot aliyam an netum klemanta wamut wakananta misen ben hanvi ta jonni do seta longri long ta misen pare jon bange selong choran si pilo kalanta amut akan misen angkin ang khoran ta misen tasenetum pini gamra bahini pen jakhalo amut akan misen no plon netum rong netum ame kardon suri don pharo do riso do yang do atum anta thangama thanang ne pasin netum rong gamra bahini penta netum chengwai pansi la rabdet thamanta aninga khapile
tang sido nang rap thek cholo mane sita kachuniri bala son helo anilitum rongker seta nonamat ke avila lapen ningang ter lang bang asap su ko kosto do pine ringwela son nang pite pisi nilitum bang paklang dun kan tu lasi nang litum phala sina chupak lain pisi nang tum hanta nang chuniri du lo lapen nang chang lo kardok
nizang Karbi anglong amri konsensi lower amri ahin pator arong ratum tuwar khino parpi ga jokpen pinang kisung chitong ponanglo tuwar khino parpi ga jok lapunat kesuret kilni det aphan sami pi ja ipensi charchong ponsi chepon nang kok ritilu athi tuwar khino parpi ga jok gari motor sami ke chelengon inde jokpen labangsu hawra ratum pen kisung chitong pon nang koklo labangsu tuwar khino parpi ga laki non ka charibam parivartan sarkar tum se chinipon pami athi kedam tang kilik apor hut pen sabi alang litum wurka chuhang mate wurka churek amai meeting sami pedo pondo lapen labang su wurka churek amai meeting long bangki tuwar pen chenglok ka prek prek chingthura sai sami nang klem pipon vek pu pasi lamchak chi chak pondo bon sami labang so lamchake lamchaka sonsi chamandel labang so lamchake pa plengji kalisi achu hang hun amai long ke bang tu ma phan sami pinian ke rj mstai theklong lepin lang lasi sai jok jipen kedam to akoi ni pai phoni ahint patora rar tum thurpak bansi mithangarong sami tuwar che slam pon nang koklo lasinon ki bang jikilig apor hudbang ke kuma bang pu bang phi sini tum ki sungpen pa jok pon jima la bang so bang pu bang phi long si chirap che tudun pu arhi patora ra tum pen pa chini pon borthol pen great son tum Karbi Longri Abirta
chak lapuson doloma
chak lo bang kule bang ta tawarang rapo mi ta melang nang rapo polam chak pa mi pon ni tumbang ke ton nang ko lo buta pidun bom lo ke nong ke bang haidar pi ke nang lang le dar long ke ni ngrong si bor inang kok lo bang puja tawarang rapo kurang rapri sirong
Tagali rong kera tuwarang ta rong kera heman ta
pilapan cipaduk cipadak sini tungge rong si cingwai si la sinon bang ke son klem ini tuwar
tang kini non nang litum labang so asai ke deng pon bang nang litum rong sivet ma mate ka prek rong penta ka chirap
tunjuk arong
Sorry, so to bar di chung.
นั่นล่ะ
chỉ lấy cái mọc làm dốc luôn
อันเตนั่งลิ
làm chắc rồi
นั่งลิ
rồi chắc các kỳ
โอเค
nghe bằng giờ họ đi bột thì
นั่งลิมิตรก่อนบักดี
Limited shop di CMN han chuneng rista nang rap re dat do yo anan ne dam tangan ning kanta but hai don bom lo nang rap pu nang rap re mi thang rong si don kor hinyara chingrong pet pen si militum hut pon lo sotwa
kedam tang arkoi ni phai phor ni bangki karbing long kang pi long kedo karbi honghari mate chorthi chu phiju nimrokom matum pensami than thri chpa mi ponji phansi rongker akri ponlo lapuson thak thak si phong birik roi man rong pi arong sitami mesen mi at pen rongker akri pon labang so rongker kakri pon along mahamya than roi pi englong asu opor phan birik than sami akri ponlo phong barik rong pi rong amekar atum pensami mesen mi at pesi pirta ase rongker ok arkli mesen pen pachun pon phulindi pen sarhoning ti Karbi Longri Abirta
ani sepen ke dolo sitame arkli bom charti vet sitame la ete mahonon ta district council la SDC non ta chithan nang ko le aso hut pe namasi tarik pho particular la so tarik pho kensi na besi arkli
acha
asinon pon ta ni to arkli bom la pini an ta ni arkli
apen pini umut wokan ke mesen ma
nilitum ke ladak mairam rongpi arong rongker walam ang ke jethan ote rongker do arong tin si belek sitame nilitum arong rongker bangke rason hello ladaga bangke nilitum ke nibot karondo lapen hempu do lapen than pharo thili pharo do lapen rong anglong benchelo than pi thili pi la soposi la an pen nili tum pini chorki chuki chuka kado pen cherap si cheto kado ka bigat la vomut vokan puke misen mi et la pen hala lukia cheke malong nili tum la hak wasono
Abirta bang kilan pang chik bang ton pang iglo domi thakmi kardom